Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to cognitive class. In today's cognitive class, we shall work with the cognitive workbook. Children, in the previous classes, we have learnt the concept solar system. I have told you that it takes 1 year for the earth to go around the sun. 1 year has 365 days. As the earth goes around the sun, we get different seasons. Which are the different seasons? Can you name them, children? They are summer, winter, rainy, autumn and spring. These are the seasons that we get. So, the date changes every day as the day passes. So, we shall learn the calendar activity later. Here, I want to talk with you about the seasons because we have few activities with the concept season in page number 20 in cognitive workbook. The activity is to number the parts of the puzzles in the correct sequence. Here we have a picture. By looking at this picture, or we can take this picture as a hint, and we have to number this puzzle in order. Let us see what we can do. By looking at the picture, the word winter, the part where we can see the word winter takes first place, and then the hat portion, it takes number 2. Then the face portion of the girl and the snowman takes 3. Then their stomach part 4, 5 and then 6. By observing the picture, we have to number this in sequence. We have a similar picture here. Help your children to number this by looking at the picture carefully. After completing this, we have one more activity to do. Write 3 words for each season seen in the above pictures. Children, which are the 2 seasons that we have seen in this page? It is winter, where we feel too cold, and the rainy season, where we get heavy rainfall. So we have to write 3 words for each season in the above pictures. For the winter, I have written the word winter, where it is a name of the season. Woolen. Woolen is a type of cloth which we wear in winter season to keep ourselves warm. And the snowman. You can see the snowman here. Yes. Next comes the words which relates the rainy season. Rainy, it is the name of the season. Umbrella, an object which we use in the rainy season. And boots, which we wear to protect our feet. After completing this, let us move on to the next page where we have a similar activity. Number the parts of puzzles in the correct sequence. Here we have 2 seasons, summer and spring. As we did in the previous page, we have to number the puzzle in sequence by looking at the main picture. Number 1 takes the word summer, the portion where we can see the word summer, and number 2 takes the head portion of the girl. Number 3 takes the face portion of the girl. Number 4, 5 and 6. Carefully you have to observe the picture and then you have to number. Next comes the spring season. Spring season is full of colors. You can see green leaves, colorful flowers. We have to number the puzzle by looking at the picture given. Children, hope you will continue the activity. After completing this, let us move on to the next activity where we have to write 3 words for each season seen in the above pictures. Here we have summer and spring season. We have to write any 3 words related to summer season and spring season. Here I have taken the name of both the seasons. For summer, I have taken summer, and the next word is sun, where the sun is too hot and bright in summer season. And water. You can see a girl is playing in water. So I have taken the word water here. Next comes spring. The name of the season I have taken spring. Flower. We can see flowers blooming here. So I have taken the word flower. And clouds. We can see many clouds in the picture. I have taken the word clouds. After completing this, let us move on to the page number 22, where we have an activity to match the pictures belonging to the specific seasons. We have 4 seasons here: spring, winter, summer and rainy. In the spring season, the pictures, the related pictures are being given here, and the names of the season with the related pictures are given. And here we have few more related pictures to the seasons given. Spring season. Spring season, as we have seen in the previous page, the spring season is colorful. We can see many blooming flowers. So it is spring season. In the spring season, we get many fruits. So I have matched it to the fruits. Next comes winter season. This picture relates to the winter season, where we can see the snowfall, and children used to make the snowman with the snowfall and people used to skate. So I have matched these 2 pictures. Summer season, where sun is too hot and bright. So I have matched this. And then we use umbrellas to protect ourselves from hot sun. So I have matched this. Next comes rainy. We can see rainfall here. So I have matched it here. We use umbrellas even in the rainy season. So I have matched this. Dear parents, kindly help your children to complete the activity regarding the specific seasons. We have one more activity to do here regarding the calendar. As I have not yet helped the child to know more about calendar, this part can be done in the next class. So please don't touch this part. We shall do it later. Help your child to complete the activities in page number 20, 21 and 22. The first part only. Thank you.